Assalamu alaikum guys, I am Faris and I am back with you all. Today basically I was going to make a vlog, but as you all can see, it's raining heavy today. And basically I was going to take you at a trip, and I was about to show you Shalimar Gardens, but let's see what will happen. Let me make you have a look. You see, as you can all see, it's raining very heavy right now, and I am basically standing beneath a shed to avoid rain, and basically I am waiting for my other partner. So let's see how long will they take to arrive here. Hope so you all like the video, and now I'm waiting for him. Let's see how much it will take for अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। आज का दिन मेरा टोटली पैनिकफुल एंड ट्रबलसम रहा। मैं बेसिकली आज आई वॉज अबाउट टू शो यू शालीमार गार्डन, बट ड्यू टू हैवी रेनफॉल आवर प्लान वॉज कैंसल्ड। देयर वॉज अबाउट 6 feet water everywhere in inner Lahore, and not to mention that in Shalimar Garden, then we tried to divert our plan and go to Gulshan Park located at Ramembal town, but you can say that all our plan was stopped due to rain. So because this ongoing week was very troublesome, it was rainy days and it was raining constantly, and everything was disturbed. The college routine was disturbed. I tried to show you many things. I was about to show my college, and I was most importantly I was going to introduce my small brother Haziq, but unfortunately it couldn't happen. And as you all know that I'm going to upload weekly vlog, and the week is up a day. It has been 8 days since I last uploaded my video, so randomly making this video. Next video will be very interesting because I will be going to show you Baishahi Mosque and Lahore Fort and some view of food street, etc. But to complete a formality, you can say that this video is basically to fulfill formality, but in fact this video is to show you formality. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting thing. Basically right now I am walking in park. It is at a distance of 3 to 4 streets from my house, and it's basically located in Shalimar Garden phase 2, and it's named Joyland. This area is beautiful. uh, this park is basically working scientifically. They have used various methods for artificial breeding of plants, and are making an different you can say that they are making plants grow artificially. They are mixing colors of plant, they are breeding plants, they are doing grafting, which are these are all biological terms. So I mean they are making something new. So now let me show you some of the view of the park. uh, the method they are using will really impress you all, because let me show you from here. You see this plant, its leaves are green from down, but you can see it's a purplish shade from up. Similar. Well, right now I am walking at the jogging track. Basically that's not made for walking, but uh, it's all troublesome. So see, these are multicolored. Let me see if I can show you from here. No, so let me take you further. They have a kind of whole nursery over here for making plants using methods very efficiently. Basically, the upper view of the park looks very beautiful. So you see, upper leaves are of green color, and sorry, the lower ones are of green color while the upper ones are of purplish shade. So they are using this method of grafting very efficiently. I have to walk very carefully. And finally, this is what I have been wondering for. You see this. This is what they are doing by the means of grafting. This plant basically is a green colored tree. It have leaves of green color, but they use a kind of, you can say it's a boundary, and this plant, basically this one, is used for making boundaries for lobbies, etc. I don't know the exact name, but they use this method. This is boundary is of purple color, so they have, so this is of purple colored, and they mixed it with the genes to of this green plant and led to the, we all know that greed is a curse, so I'll make you all a little bit greedy, because tomorrow I will take you to the visit of Badshahi Mosque, and it would be fun with my friends. And so that's all for today. Hope so. Well, I don't hope that you liked, but hope so you will like it. And meet you tomorrow. Till then, bye.